What is going on, Ben Nation? I hope everybody's having a great day. I hope your new year started off really good. I want to talk to you about a couple of things. First and foremost, if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button and leave a comment. Let me know if you're part of the Ben Army. But the important thing is this: I need your help in order for Ben to grow, in order for us to help foster mass adoption. And look, at some point, Ben is going to take care of this and he's going to run with it and build his channel and build Ben Coin along the way. But for you guys right now, what I need for you to do is engage with me, watch these videos, share this video on X, share it on wherever you go. Let people know that they need to watch it. Hopefully we can convince new investors to come in, and that's the way this thing can grow from there. Also, when you see Ben items on Twitter, X, whatever you call it, make sure that you engage with those and also share and retweet these or repost them, whatever it is that you still call it. So that being said, thank you so much for your support so far. And we're going to look at the price action, but we're also going to look at some of the designs. Now, yesterday I mentioned to you that there's some designs that we're talking about for new looks for the Ben logo going into the future using much of the same design so far. So we're going to check that out. Hope you guys are going to stick around for it. Make sure you hit the like button on the way in, and let's get into it. So yesterday we talked about the price action. The price action started a little bit of a reversal. This is the Uniswap version here, and you can kind of see when I do it on the day chart, you don't really see too much. But when we come over here, which is where we've been kind of talking about it, right? Guys, I didn't draw this to be 100% correct. It's just, by the way, a coincidence that it's playing out 100% that way. But we did bounce off of the 200 MA for resistance, which was a big one. Now, what I think I told you was if we bounce off of the 200, we're going to probably wick up here into the 0.382, which is 7,000. Once we get into this range right here, probably reject back down towards that 200 MA and then start to move on. Now, we'll probably range because the trade volume hasn't been that high, and that's where you guys come in. If you make sure that people see and engage with the information that's out there, then guess what? New investors will start to look and they'll start to come in. People that watch me or follow me or that watch and follow Ben, they're going to check it out. They're going to be, let's take a shot at this and let's see what happens. Now, if you notice, I am using high IQ, which you can access down below. So it looks like we're on that uptrend. We've found what I think is the bottom right here. I think we had found that bottom before, and we got the nice big bounce. And that, of course, was a retest. Got rejected because we had a bunch of people selling out for Christmas or for the holidays. And now we're in the new year, and the new broom sweeps clean, so to speak. We're on our way back up. Now, that puts us in, I believe I said, I think we're going to drop a zero pretty soon. So you can see right now, and by the way, I'm just drawing a wild-eyed guess there. I'm not telling you exactly what the price is going to do. When you see something like this and you see me draw this out and say, we're going to go up here, we're going to dip here, and then we're going to start up here again, and then we're going to start dipping. I'm not telling you that we're actually going to do that, which we are, but I'm just giving you an idea of what it looks like. And anytime that happens, and I'm basically drawing the future, it is purely a guess. So please keep that in mind. I'm not telling you exactly what the chart's going to do. However, let's talk about real quick some of these designs. You can see right here, this is one of the Ben designs, $ Ben, and then on the back of the hoodie, you see the nice Ben logo over here. Then you see a hat, black, white, red, doesn't really matter, black or white cap with a Ben logo. Pretty simple, elegant design. Then you have this one here, which is a little more green. You see it's got Ben Nation kind of wrapped around a flag, around a globe. And then you have some kind of green, I want to say leaf there. And then Ben Nation be everywhere. Little typo on that. But look, the idea here is the design. Then you got this one, which is a little more, I think, Ben Armstrong speed here. A little gold logo with Ben everywhere. A lot of swag on this one. So that one seems like a varsity jacket that, if you like that one, by the way, let me know which one of these you prefer the most. And you have Tom Collide here to Genocide puts up a, I want to say hippie sort of looking cleaned up design with a lot going on in the background, a lot of color scheme being used right there. Illuminati, I don't know, but You'll notice here that there's some D, E, F, I. So we've got DeFi represented. We've got the color schemes all over the place. Really like this design. I want to say these are feathers, but no matter what, this is a really good design. Certainly like this one. Then we have this one, simplistic, nice one. Again, we've got the earth, but the earth is colored with the Ben colors. Then we've got the cash tag Ben and Be Everywhere Now, simplified. And there's a lot of different ones. You can see, by the way, he did a few mock-ups on shirts, et cetera, et cetera. We're not going through all of those. And then finally, we got this one right here. It probably a design that I would go for. Very simplistic phase down design with the logo and then Ben coin on it. That's the kind of hoodie that I would end up wearing. You see most of my hoodies when I do that. I'm wearing black and white most of the time anyway. So, but let me know what you think in the comments down below. Which one is it that you prefer? Now, remember, going forward, there's going to be Ben is going to be talking about Ben coin, or he's going to be talking about the DeFi space and meme coin space at the end of every one of his shows, which I think start back today. So buckle up, tune in, because I think things are going to get real interesting for Ben coin in this new year. But again, let me know what you think in the comments down below. And don't forget, share this with as many people as you can. That's how we build a community. That's how we continue to enlarge that community. And that's how we moon this thing. This is not financial advice. My name is Bleez. I'm always right. Thank you so much for tuning in. Happy New Year. And we'll talk to you again very, very soon.